Today's rates may feel high compared to post-COVID rates. Today's rates are actually closer to the 50-year average of 7%. The ultra-low record rates of 2.65% during the pandemic era were unprecedented. It's Friday, June 6th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Maryland sees inventory rising while home prices continue to trend upwards, and new contracts are ahead of last year, revealing that buyers continue to shop and buy at this year's higher prices and at the current mortgage interest rates. Baltimore metro region inventory is up 3.5% from last year this time, and prices are also up 3.8% to a median list price of $414,900, while new contracts outpaced last year 8.8% this report. The Southern Maryland region has 49% more listings this year than last year at the same time, and list prices are up 4.2% as new contracts are up 5.8%. Here's what's happening with the inventory activity in Maryland. Coming soon properties dipped 17% this report. New listings rose 38.1% to 2,677. Homes going under contract rose 27% to 1,959, going under contract in 15 days. 1,875 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio, selling in 10 days. Very favorable for the sellers. Rental properties rose to 2,669 for lease at $2,500 median dollars per month. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 6th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.